I've come across questions like, what is WooCommerce? What can I use WooCommerce to do? So WooCommerce is a plugin, and a plugin is simply just like a mobile app on your phone that adds functionalities to your mobile phone. When you buy your mobile phone for the first time, it doesn't come with Access Bank app. It doesn't come with some apps. You have to go to Play Store or go to Apple Store to install certain apps just to add functionality to your phone. All right, that is the same thing plugins do to WordPress. All right, WordPress does not come with all those plugins. You have to actually look for a plugin that does a specific thing to add that functionality to your store. If you want to convert your WordPress website into an online store or an e-commerce website like Jumia, Konga, AliExpress, Amazon and all that, you need to use a simple plugin that serves as an app to your phone. Now, a plugin serves as an app to your WordPress website and it adds those functionalities. What this WooCommerce plugin does is that it adds online store functionalities to your WordPress website. It adds the cart page, the checkout page, the dashboard for customers, and all of those features you can't just get ordinarily. So as soon as you install it, you will see that the entire WordPress dashboard interface will change. That is specifically what it does. And what is WordPress? WordPress is simply a content management system. It helps you manage all your content with a database. So you have everything in one place. You publish content, you add plugins, you add this, you add that to make your website look better. That is what WordPress does for you. And WordPress is already a no-code tool. With WordPress, you don't need to start coding afresh. The HTML has been done for you. You just need to add plugins, styling, and also add like certain functionalities which JavaScript gives you. If that helps you, see you in my next video. Consider subscribing to this channel because I have a lot of things to give you on this channel considering building e-commerce website with WooCommerce.